Kaushal, and this is my team. Arish, Samaritan Sabu. Our project name is the Path of Vision Eye to Brain. I will give an explanation about the project. This is object. These are eyes. This is optic trace, optic tract. These are present in optic nerves. This is brain. And Samartha will explain you further about this.
Take a look at the back of the eye. You can see a thin layer which is called retina. When the light enters the eye, it hits the retina. It transforms it into electrical signals. This electrical signal passes to the brain by the optic nerves. The brain processes it and we know what we are seeing. Have you ever wondered what happens to the retina of the blind people? The retina of the blind people is either broken or the optic nerves between the brain and eye are broken. So even if the retina is working, the signals are not passed to the brains because the optic nerves are not working. So the blind people can't see the object.
When we say that a person has blue, black or brown colored eyes, we actually refer to the color of the iris. Melanin, the same compound that determines hair and skin color, is also responsible for different eye colors. The iris is the colored part of your eye. Muscles in your iris adjust your pupil automatically based on changes in lighting. When your pupil widens, more light gets into it, and when it narrows, less light gets into it. You can notice your iris working when you step outside on a bright sunny day or come inside after spending some time in the sun. You can take care of your iris by wearing sunglasses with 100% UV protection.
I am Jay. I am going to tell about different activity which is blind spot. So basically, when we see an object, the rays of the object first passes from the cornea and the lens, then it forms and it reflects on the retina, through which the nerves get signal and the brain gets to know that what is the object, through which we identify and we see the object. But in some cases, there is a hole in the retina through which nerves are passed. So what happens when we see an object, the rays of the object directly fall on the holes through which the nerves are passing, and the nerves would not get the signals that what is the object. So there is an activity. Hold the gel in your hand. Close your right eye and see the left dot with your right eye. Focus on this dot. At some distance, the one dot will be magnetic. That is your blind spot.
Have you ever wondered why people say that you shouldn't see welding with naked eyes? ये होता है क्योंकि when we see with naked eyes, the rays which are coming from the welding or the sparkles, UVA, UV and UVC. UVA and C are not much harmful, but UVB is very harmful. The before cornea fluid is present, which absorbs UVA and UVC, but the UV is not able to absorb by the fluid and it passes to the lens. It damages the lens first and then it goes to pupil. UV contains protein. The protein gets hardened because of multiple reflections of UVB in it, and we get the disease named cataract or motivational. The 2% ray is not able to acquired by the pupil. It passes to retina. Before retina, there is a fluid. There is a sensitive cells called cones and rods. Cones and rods are sensitive to bright light and dim light. It gets damaged because of the UV, because it is very harmful, and as the reason we get blind. Have you wondered why we get specs? When the reflected rays pass in the middle or this region, we can see properly. If it passes up, we get the number plus. If it goes down, we get number minus. There is a blind spot present over here. If it passes there, we cannot see anything. That's there.
Secondly, I am going to tell some interesting facts about the modern display. There are about 1 million nerves which are passing from each side to the brain. And secondly, the brain 80% of the brain signal is getting from the vision.
ऐक